Hey there, good morning. A foggy morning across the coastal bend, and it's worse than what we were dealing with on your Tuesday. Now, Hump Day is definitely taking the win on this one when it comes to the foggiest morning yet. And the National Weather Service has just extended that dense fog advisory across more neighborhoods here in the coastal bend and adjusted that time frame for when we expect it to get out of our hair. So take the wide view for yourself. Dense fog advisory in effect until 10 o'clock this morning. So we do expect those conditions to improve a little bit sooner, but this expands across most of the coastal bend. That means everyone shaded in gray can expect those visibilities to be as low as 1/4 of a mile or worse. Please give yourself some extra time as you head out on the roadways. We were getting a pretty good view from the CCAC camera out at Snoopy's, but once you come on into town, that visibility really drops. So you need to be careful out on the roadways. Give yourself some extra time and leave plenty of braking distance. You know the drill. We did this yesterday, but today it's just going to be a bigger problem for a majority of our neighbors here. We have fractions of a mile of visibility. Nobody has an entire mile of visibility. We did see that in Falfurrias at the beginning of this hour, but that has since worsened. We're down to a half mile visibility in Falfurrias, which drops to about a 1/4 of a mile by the time you go up 281 to Alice. It's a similar situation across the board. So again, please be very careful this morning. The fog will dissipate as those winds pick up toward the lunchtime hour. We're actually looking at a pretty gusty day ahead. Thank goodness it's going to be a little bit warmer because we're starting warmer. We're on either side of 60 degrees and most of our neighbors on the plus side of that, 65 in Ingleside, 62 in Port A. We take that to 64 for Robstown, and at CCIA 60 in Beeville, Mathis, and San Diego, with some inland neighborhoods hanging out in those upper 50s. So how's that dog walking forecast looking? Well, our start today, this is Maxine. She's not too fazed by the rain. Does not like the storms, though. I think thankfully we'll avoid any thunder and lightning, but it is going to be a soggy one, so we have to plan very carefully for that dog walking as we go through today. Probably going to be best to keep it short. We will warm up to the 70s pretty quickly today, and as the wind begins to pick up around 20 miles per hour, that should help alleviate some of the visibility problems that we're seeing so far. But it's going to be a gusty one. Winds will gust in excess of 30 miles per hour today. It's ahead of our next weather maker that is going to clear out the fog and the rain as we get closer to the weekend. So speaking of rain, not a whole lot of it on the radar this morning. Some of the drizzly is getting picked up by the radar, but we'll see more substantial rain across many neighborhoods today. Let's walk you through the afternoon. That's when we expect more of that rainfall to arrive. The darker shades of green there letting us know heavy downpours possible at times as we move through the 70s. But tonight we get a bit of a break, so if you're going out to maybe that farmer's market at the Arts Center downtown tonight, should be a good one. I would still have the raincoat on hand though, and expect one more rainy day on Thursday before this begins to clear out, and we'll be looking at the sunshine returning by tomorrow afternoon. So here's a look at the culprit and the cure. Low pressure nearby is what's giving us the unsettled and emo weather, but a cold front isn't far away to help clear this out. Like I mentioned, it'll be here tomorrow, giving us a great forecast. Check it out. You need to make some plans this weekend. Sunshine and 70s is what we have in store.